Okay, I have no idea what to expect, but let's see how it goes out here. Ooh, that's something. Ooh, turn even slightly and put my hood on. It's like major blowing snow. Yeah. Oh. It's sticky snow. Probably about an inch. New stuff right there. And then the mound continues to grow. I'm only 5'2", so I don't know. I hope it doesn't get too tall because to crawl over it, and I hope it won't be easy. I guess it's a darn good thing I'm not needing my walker and stuff right now. Whew.